Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your credit utilization with Chase credit cards. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage your credit utilization with Chase credit cards, begin by understanding what credit utilization is. Credit utilization is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. A lower utilization ratio can positively impact your credit score. Start by logging into your Chase online account. Navigate to the Accounts section to view your credit cards and their limits. Take note of your total credit limit across all your Chase cards. Next, check your current balances on these cards. Calculate your credit utilization percentage by dividing your total balances by your total credit limit. For example, if your total balance is $2,000 and your total credit limit is $10,000, your utilization is 20%. To maintain an ideal ratio, aim to keep this percentage below 30%. Consider paying off your balances in full each month. If paying in full isn't feasible, try to make multiple payments throughout the month. This can help lower your balance before the statement closing date. Another strategy is to request a credit limit increase on your Chase cards. A higher limit can reduce your utilization ratio if your spending remains the same. Keep track of your spending by utilizing the Chase mobile app. The app offers tools to monitor your transactions and set up alerts. Remember to review your account statements regularly. This practice helps ensure you stay within your desired utilization range. Lastly, if you notice your utilization creeping up, avoid making new charges until you pay down your balance. Following these steps will help you effectively manage your credit utilization with Chase credit cards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.